is so cool seeing this place painted, and I love the sound of construction. I love the smell of plywood. I love the smell of progress. And this place looks so much better than it did. I still have the lovely popcorn ceilings, and I think the paint has made such a nice difference. I had to just stand here for a second and take it all in. We did this really pretty ice blue paint. It was inspired by my favorite ice cream, Baskin-Robbins daiquiri ice. True story, it really was. Carlos, who's over here trying to hide, is going to take this rattan matting, which we bought in rolls, and they're 4 feet long, and I don't know how many I bought, I just bought a lot. And we're gonna strip it across the ceiling, and we're gonna put in a something 32 caliber, 22 caliber, 80 caliber nail gun, and we're gonna shoot it in, because this is solid concrete. I found out last night at midnight after a few cocktails. Shoot those up here, and then we're gonna take furring strips, 1 by 1 pieces, and we're gonna outline it and then do crisscrosses in either 2 by 2 or 4 by 4 or something. And if it were up to me, I'd just hot glue everything or duct tape it, and apparently that won't work. Oh, there's one more thing. I have a fabulous Serena Lily chandelier that goes over here. And it's gonna cover up this beautiful pattern that the popcorn ceilings make. Oh, and my new other favorite thing is look at my big ass fan. I love them because these things can like literally propel this thing off. And it's so good because it's so hot here, as you can see from my sweaty head. So I'm really excited here. I'm gonna do curtains across the back side and on this other side over here to kind of enclose it. I have a little sofa here, 2 chairs, putting up some like artificial jasmine. And then I have these great outdoor rugs from John Robshaw, and they're in a floral pattern, which I love the way the floral plated with the stripes. And I like that everything in here will be blend fabric. So the kitchen, we painted the walls in the Benjamin Moore Gentleman's Gray. Left all the appliances. I think I'm gonna put a removable wallpaper panel over the dishwasher and the refrigerator. I've never done it. I don't know if you can do it, but Slim Aaron's pieces over both sides of this pass-through window because it's not pretty. And I painted the insides of the cabinets the same blue, left the outsides white, and we're gonna replace the hardware. And my other favorite thing is I'm doing these removable tiles from the Smart Tile, and they're so easy to look. It's just like a peel and stick. So they go right up to here, and they look really good. So back in the guest room, remember it was all white and it was so dull and so ugly? Well, I told you, paint can fix anything. I painted all the walls, baseboards, doors, because when you do a dark color on a room, it just sort of goes away and the walls become bigger, not smaller, and all you see are pretty palm trees outside on the white. So I did a big ass fan, and I'm doing another CW style fabric in here, and I'm working with Live Designs to do a custom queen platform bed that has a twin trundle bed. That way I have the best of both worlds. So this is going to be the bed, and this is going to be something, probably a chair. And I've got a sofa that's going to go somewhere in here. It's green, and so that's why I wanted to pull it in. I have a bunch of green and white botanical prints, and I have a bunch of other artwork. So this room is affectionately known as Billy's room, and Billy would never have anything but a dark guest bedroom. So back in the guest bathroom, which we painted the vanity, and we're just making a countertop that fits in right over this. And it's gonna have a hole, and then we're gonna put a new Briso faucet over it. After that, I had this Curry & Company chandelier, not chandelier, what do you call that? Sconce light. And I took out the other one. Do you remember how beautiful it was? But it's gone. And then I like the way the little bamboo beads went in with the teak and holly, so it's kind of nautical. Another CW Stockwell fabric, which I really love this one. And it's gonna be so pretty. So again, I'm gonna do some kind of little valance, go straight down, and it made it into this kind of nice, crisp, mid-century inspired, slightly nautical, appropriate for the building and the era space. And I have a really cute rug from Annie Stelke going in here. And then I'm gonna put more art along here. And I'm gonna put one big mirror right here, maybe. And it used to bother me, now it's not really bothering me. So we'll see what happens. And I broke down, as one would, and I ordered Wheezy towels to go in here, including those cute little ones that have the little eyelashes for you to take off your makeup that are blue so you don't get mascara all over your white towels. Anyway, I think those are great, especially if you have a guest. I like to always make them feel welcome. And if I can't do something like have a lavish bathroom, at least I can have some cute Wheezy towels to take their makeup off. So in the master bedroom, I had a stroke of